Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. This is your Islamic unit and I am your teacher Miss Amreen. Today we will continue with the chapter of ethics and our topic is miserliness and extravagance. The religion of Islam is the religion of life and its perspective and rules set the grounds for human facility and success, both for the individual as well as the society. Islam has brought forth a complete program for every fact of human life and has advised balance and moderation to its followers in all affairs. Extravagance and waste means going past to proper boundaries and is the opposite of moderation. Extravagance, which is to exceed the limits of what is required or what is customary, is something prohibited. Those who do so will be counted among the spendthrifts, about whom, on the other hand, miserliness, spending less than what is required, is also something which is prohibited. The literary definition of miserliness is an excessive desire to save money and the quality of being small. A miser is a person who finds it extremely difficult to spend money to the point that they willingly deny themselves basic comfort and necessities in order to hoard money. Hoarding and miserliness is frowned upon in Islam and disliked by Allah. Islam discourages wastefulness, indulgence in wasteful luxuries, and spending for shows to impress order. The Holy Quran condemns extravagance as it leads a person into evil company and to the misuse of Allah's bounties. It is said in the Holy Quran, waste not by excess, for Allah love not the waster. Miserliness is a great sin. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, two things do not fit in a faithful person, miserliness and bad temper. About miser, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have said, a miser is far off from Allah, far off from paradise, far off from people, and nearer to hell. Hope you all have understood. Now, coming towards the assignment. Today's assignment is question write two sayings of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him about miserliness. Do the given assignment in your exercise book. Make sure your work should be neat and clean. Have a nice day.